Hello, my brother, can you hear me now? Oh, excusez-moi, ke le betse da. Ke na le mathata a mangata jwale. Bona mfana la wa.
I welcome you back, guys. This is Traders Foundation. So the time is 10 to 8 South African Standard Time, and it's PM. So it's the 6th of September, the day I recorded that video of analyzing VIX 10. The reason I'm on VIX 100 now is because VIX 10 hasn't been triggered and we made a loss on the sell. I made a video off. So as you can see, this is gonna take time to reach download there, but let's wait, shall see. So now let's go to VIX 100 1S. I'm gonna start off the the weekly time frame. So okay, I really don't like this structure because it's not telling me anything. It's currently not telling me anything. Let's switch to the line chart. So yeah, as you can see right over here, we made this breakout structure and we respected this weekly order flow, which we kind of wiped below it. Sometimes it's better to use your finger, like, and leave these pens alone. Okay, then let's move to the daily time frame. You can see on the daily we made this order flow before we broke structure. Let's go to the candlestick. So on the daily time frame we have the swipe, let me reduce this trend line first. And let's go to and right above that trend line we made a market structure shift. Right here, not I just didn't I edit it. Oh, I need to 7. Okay. And as you can see right here we have this. If I draw using the full body, this will be the order block, but I'll be focusing on the long wick. So this type of order block is called the long wick order block. So guys, if you look properly, you would see, okay, zoom in. Did we wipe this highs? So I think we are in the range, this range. We are playing inside that range, meaning most likely we won't respect this order block. So, and as you can see guys, we have this wipe right over here. most likely not gonna respect this order block. So we might catch some buys or some short-term sells. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah, this is the long week order block, and this is the daily, remember. So this will be happening maybe next year, maybe next month, I don't know. So this is it. Okay, now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And if you view the 4-hour time frame, you'll see this structure right over here. We have this liquidity, and if you take out your flip tool, you never respected any 50% zone, you never reached any 50%. Let me see here. So okay, here we did respect the 50%, so let's mark it. Oh fuck, what did I just do? Sorry for the language, guys. So we did respect the 50%. The reason I'm not using the fib is because it's making what is this way? I want this way. My chart looks full, like it's full of tools, so that's not what I want. 9. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I think we wiped, and yes, there's a possibility that we go down before going up and touching that other block, and me I'll be looking for those kinds. You can see this is our focus zone. We wiped right over here, and we wiped right into this mid pivot, this for our mid pivot. You can see. So here we have, it's a break of structure. I can say it's a break of structure. Here we have this for our low, and we wiped it for our high, as you can see. Okay, let me just do this. So that I don't waste time. Okay, the 4-hour high is here, which we wiped. So I'll be swinging to the 1 hour to look at the structure. Okay, let's start off the mid pivot. Okay, here's the mid pivot on the 1 hour, which we touched just a little bit, but we filled a fair value gap right over here. You can see, meaning yeah, a valid reason for it to turn around here. So far guys, I don't know whether to expect buying pressure or selling on this trade. But as you can see right over here, I might be targeting this mid pivot on our mid pivot, but I don't like targeting mid pivot but fair value gaps. As you can see, this is the end of the fair value gap. So yeah, this trade is gonna go well. Think of selling here, but we gotta go to the lower time frame to find more confluences. Okay, let me see. Okay, we gotta go to the lower time frame, guys. So as you can see right here, there is a valid reason that we might not reach the end of the fair value gap because of this because of this. You can see right here, this breaker block. Okay, broken demand zone. Let me just say that we're gonna retest it right now. So I'm looking to find an entry before the retest, so I'll be selling. That's my plan. Selling. So the 30 minutes doesn't hold much info. I'll just go to the 30 minutes. The broken demands now is an order block, guys. You can see the broken order block. We're gonna retest this zone. So let's go to the 15. Okay, and the 15 we are ranging, I don't know why, and we wiped, we broke or wiped. Okay, I think it must be fast now. In case I miss it, let me go to the 5 minutes first. I'll explain further why. Okay. If you look, guys, right over here, we had a demand zone which we respected multiple times. As you can see, guys, so we made this break, so I think we're gonna break right over here. We still have 2 minutes to see how it will happen. Either we break out of this demand zone. This is the 5 minutes, by the way. So I'll be targeting here. Now we can go back to the 15. Okay, guys, as you can see, if we close, we might feel this zone. We're gonna come back here to retest a little bit, then go down. That's my thoughts. So I'll be targeting here, and remember, we hold till take profit unless we are satisfied with the profits. So our minimum take profit will be $5. If we are able to hold this trade for at least to open what is this to open maybe $2 to $3, the minimum one will be $5 or $4 because we are on $8 now, and I said we target there half of our account. So yeah, the two will hold until take profit if the $4 here is not the one that makes half of our profit. Now we wait for the time. Let me see the 1 minute. Okay, the 1 minute, I don't like it. I believe we're gonna retest and go down. Let me see something. Okay, if I open 5 trades, I'm risking $5 to make at least 10. Okay, guys, let's wait on the retest, on the close. 19 seconds until we close. 19 seconds, and our trade will be right here, right on this week. That will be our trade. Okay, we did break down there. Now let's reduce the lot size. Let's say we target here. So we will be targeting $4. I'm not opening one. Okay, stop loss right over here. 2, So guys, I'll show you the result right after this happens. So I believe we're gonna maybe come back in until somewhere here down, maybe 50% of this zone. Let me see something. 50% of this zone right here. We might not. So that's all. I'll show you the results right after. Follow for more, guys. Don't forget that.
Come on next door, you wanna join the top. And I get money I get. Got it, pizza. Hesses, one of the woodsy chicken it, yeah. Would I travel? I travel, Vidula, was I travel? Halala, what one travel? Vanula, sky, you throw me travel, throw me battles out, travel. Hey, so Doctor could say, let go, one man then, but the revenge, a bit of feast a weekend.